Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best hand sewing needles is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools in any crafter's kit, transforming simple fabric and thread into intricate designs, durable repairs, or beautiful garments, and choosing the right one can significantly impact your sewing experience, making tasks smoother, more precise, and ultimately more enjoyable, whether you're mending a button, quilting a masterpiece, or embroidering delicate details. Number 5. Coquimbo Mini Sewing Kit. Living away from home? This compact kit is designed for college students, dorm rooms, and apartments. It keeps basic repair tools ready for all your everyday clothing fixes. This portable kit includes all essential sewing supplies like scissors, a tape measure, and multiple thread colors. You'll have everything you need for quick hand sewing repairs. Its lightweight case keeps every tool neatly secured and easy to find. The compact size fits perfectly in a dorm drawer, backpack, or travel bag without taking up much space. Ideal for travel, home use, and emergency clothing repair. Quickly fix a missing button, a split seam, or a loose hem before class, work, or any important event. It's a useful kit for adults, beginners, and travelers alike. This makes it a practical gift for back to school, housewarming, or anyone needing simple repair tools for daily life. What we like? This compact kit is your go-to for on-the-spot fixes. It comes with all the essentials neatly organized in a small case. If you're a student, traveler, or just need a reliable emergency repair kit, this is perfect for you. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 4. Large Eye Stainless Steel Sewing Needle Set. Introducing our premium sewing needle set. These needles feature an extra large eye, making threading quick and frustration-free. Say goodbye to squinting and struggling with tiny openings. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, they are incredibly stable and durable. You can trust them to glide smoothly through various fabrics, project after project. From delicate embroidery to sturdy leatherwork, these needles handle it all. They are perfect for quilting, denim repair, yarn knitting, and countless other creative projects. Each set comes with a transparent plastic bottle. This ensures your needles are always organized, easy to find, and protected, whether at home or on the go. Their large eye design makes them ideal for seniors, individuals with low vision, or those with arthritis. Enjoy your sewing and crafting without the usual strain. Beyond fabric, they excel in leather sewing for wallets and belts. Use them for mending fur, carpets, coats, tents, and canvas sofa cushions with ease. What we like? These needles are a game changer for anyone struggling with threading. Their large eyes and durable stainless steel construction make them suitable for a wide range of materials. If you have low vision, arthritis, or work with tough fabrics like leather, these will make your sewing much easier. What people say. Number 3. TOOVREN 12 PCS Easy Needle Threaders. This pack includes 12 easy-to-use needle threaders, arriving in a variety of colors. Each one is designed to be small and flat, making them incredibly practical for any sewing project. Struggling with tiny needle eyes is a thing of the past. These tools are perfect for anyone with poor eyesight, making threading quick and simple. They work with all needle and thread sizes, significantly boosting your sewing efficiency. Using them is incredibly straightforward. First, insert the wire hook into the needle's eye. Next, loop your thread onto the wire. Finally, pull the needle through, and you're ready to sew. Their lightweight, small, and flat design ensures they're easy to store. You can tuck them away in any box or bag without taking up much space. This makes them ideal for both home use and on-the-go crafting. These threaders are suitable for a wide range of sewing projects, from denim to delicate silk, and even cross-stitch or embroidery. They make an excellent gift for anyone who loves DIY crafts and homemade creations. What we like? This simple tool is a lifesaver for anyone who finds threading needles a challenge. It works with any size needle, especially those with tiny eyes, significantly speeding up your work. If you love DIY crafts but get frustrated with threading, this accessory is a must-have to enjoy your projects more. What people say. No suitable reviews found in the provided source to meet the criteria. The source JSON was empty, so no points could be extracted. Number 2. Singer Polyester Sewing Thread Kit with Needles and Threader. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to start sewing. It includes 30 vibrant spools of high-quality thread, along with 5 easy-to-use needles and a convenient needle threader. Whether you're working by hand or with a machine, this versatile pack has you covered. It's perfect for mending clothes, creating beautiful embroidery, or crafting home decor. Crafted from durable polyester, this all-purpose thread ensures your projects stand the test of time. You can rely on its strength and longevity for every stitch. With 30 vibrant colors, this set offers endless creative possibilities. It provides greater value than buying individual spools, making it ideal for all your crafting needs. Housed in a durable plastic case, this kit keeps all your supplies neatly organized. It's also perfectly portable, allowing you to take your sewing projects anywhere. What we like? This set offers a fantastic array of colors for all your creative needs. The durable polyester thread is perfect for both hand and machine sewing, ensuring long-lasting results. If you need a comprehensive color palette and reliable thread for various projects, this collection provides excellent value and versatility. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source. No reviews available from the provided source. Number 1. TOOVREN Needle Threader Tool. Do you often find yourself struggling to thread needles? This handy tool is designed to make that frustrating task a thing of the past. Its simple design allows for quick and easy needle threading. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Whether you're doing hand sewing, using a sewing machine, or working on embroidery and cross-stitch, it's perfect for all your needs. It adapts to various crafting activities. Each one comes with a clear box for easy storage and portability. This keeps them safe and readily accessible whenever you need them. Available in 5 random colors, these tools add a touch of fun to your sewing kit. Pick one up and simplify your crafting today. Say goodbye to eye strain and wasted time. It's the essential accessory for every crafter, making every project smoother. What we like? These handy threaders simplify the often frustrating task of threading needles. Coming in a convenient clear box, you'll always have one ready for your sewing machine or hand projects. If you frequently switch between different sewing tasks or just want a reliable, easy-to-store threading solution, these are incredibly practical. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract helpful points without source content. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.